Hey guys, this is how to use Temu buy pet supplies. So before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and 30% discount is only for Temu new users. So now with that said, once you are on Temu guys, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and go for the search bar over here on the top, and from here just simply type in pet supplies, and from here just simply search for it. And as you can see, you will have an option here, filters. So just click on filters over here guys, and now as you can see, you will have here the category. So it can be for pet grooming, bowls and feeders, pet toys, pet cleaning. So from here you will have multiple options, and if you want to see more, you can just click on view more over here. And as you can see, you can categorize your pet supplies over here. And now if you scroll down more, you should be able to see here target species. So from here guys, you can go for dogs, you can go for cat, you can go for reptiles, bird, and the others as well. So from here you can really filter out your target species, and you can filter out the breed recommendation. So guys, that's simply about it. So let's say I'm gonna go for dogs, and as you can see, it will automatically change over here on the screen. And let's say I'm gonna go for pet cleaning over here, and when we go for show 1000 results, as you can see, this will be the results that we have that we just filter out. Just simply select the product that you prefer, and after that just simply click on buy now over here. From here guys, just simply go ahead and make sure the shipping address is correct, and just simply provide a payment method that you prefer, and from there you'll be able to place the order and you'll be able to buy it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.